Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's talk about Cardano news. ADA Whale says Cardano TVL is going into the billions soon. A widely followed Cardano $ADA whale on social media has revealed they believe the total value locked (TVL) on the Cardano blockchain is going into the billions soon, as more projects are launched on top of it. According to a tweet shared by ADA Whale with its over 80,000 followers, they see the Cardano network as more decentralized than all BFT Byzantine fault-tolerant chains and one that is already rich in decentralized exchanges. The whale added that alternatives to decentralized money markets such as Compound and Aave are lined up, and pointed to the Cardano community being ready to bootstrap its own DeFi growth. The comments came shortly after Cardano surpassed Kusama in terms of total value locked. At the time of writing, Cardano's total value locked is above $315 million, up from around $200 million at the beginning of this month. According to Binance Academy, total value locked (TVL) for a DeFi protocol is the aggregate amount of funds locked into that protocol. For instance, the TVL locked in Ethereum projects is typically measured in United States dollars. Cardano's first usable DeFi application was launched back in January after it launched through an under-the-radar offering. The platform, Muesli Space, adding, projects still undervalue cybersecurity, although it is one of the main factors impacting users' investment decisions. European politicians are proposing a crackdown on unhosted wallets that could cause huge problems for crypto investors. The measures mean exchanges would have the impossible task of verifying who owns an unhosted wallet whenever a transaction takes place. Patrick Hansen, Unstoppable DeFi's head of strategy, fears major platforms would stop their users from transacting with unhosted wallets in order to stay compliant. Another provision would mean that an exchange would have to inform the authorities every time one of their users receives more than €1,000 from an unhosted wallet, even if there is no evidence to suggest that money laundering is taking place. According to Hansen, this amounts to an absolute violation of privacy rights. The Economic and Monetary Affairs Committee is set to vote on these provisions on Thursday. El Salvador has sought to position itself as a paradise for crypto investors after becoming the first country in the world to make Bitcoin legal tender. But over the weekend, the Central American nation declared a state of emergency after a spike in killings on the streets. At least 62 murders were reported on Saturday alone, many of them gang-related, on the most violent days seen in El Salvador for 30 years. The new emergency measures will be in place for 30 days, meaning communications may be monitored, and some public gatherings will be restricted. It's unclear whether this will result in further network Cardano price action and ecosystem inflows. The Cardano ecosystem is booming with new funds, attracting nearly $150 million in March alone. With a surge of total value locked at over $314.87 million, from roughly $168.95 million, big things are expected for this crypto project. Cardano's TVL has increased by more than 80% in just 2 weeks, and it is currently worth $225.9 million, without including stake governance assets. The increase was noted on February 28 through March 16, when the number rose from $150 million to $314.87 million. Of the difficulties that most individuals face while attempting to trade tokens on Uniswap due to high gas costs, slow transaction confirmation times and overlapping liquidity. As a result, the ecosystem uses Cardano's scalability to build highly effective decentralized solutions. According to its white paper, Bashaswap's IDO launchpad would help provide liquidity to innovative blockchain projects, finding it difficult to raise funds by connecting them to a dedicated and passionate community. It is also important to note that Cardano native tokens will be fully supported on the launchpad, as will a set of powerful DeFi technologies, essential to the success of blockchain companies on the Cardano chain. Also, as stated in Bashaswap's white paper, one of the goals of the Bashaswap project is to have a token swap protocol, which will be accomplished by combining deposited Cardano native tokens and ADA into a virtual pair using AM technology. Furthermore, liquidity providers will be able to select a pool pair to enjoy the best LP fees to support the permissionless exchange of tokens via liquidity swapping mechanism. The entire ecosystem is powered by $Bash, the native token of the Bashaswap ecosystem. The Bash token will be used on the network for staking, farming, and governance. The platform governance is structured in such a way that the Bashaswap community can administer and manage the ecosystem by voting on crucial business decisions. It should be noted that the project is currently conducting its private sale waitlist for early adopters and community members. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the Technews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.